Here at the YMCA Metro Denver, we are elevating lives and rising together. We offer aquatic programs for swim lessons, youth sports programs,
basketball, soccer, baseball,
body pump, body combat, body balance, yoga,
childcare, preschool.
We can do it all thanks to Paycom.
We have 5 locations, 650 dedicated employees here at the YMCA Metropolitan Denver.
It's critical to retain our staff because the people are the makeup of our YMCA. They are the heartbeat and they make our community go.
We want to make sure that they're engaging and they have the right tools coming in.
I have to make sure that their availability is set. And if we're on a payroll week, make sure that I'm prepared to approve those timesheets.
Funding for our wages is grant funded or is contracted through other organizations. Making sure that we're coding all of our wages correctly so we can get compensated for those is very important.
we need to make the most of what we have. That's where it gets a little bit tricky.
Payroll with our previous provider went through a third party, so I didn't have the control that I'm used to in Paycom.
We were seeing higher labor costs, which negatively impacted our budget.
We probably saw about 10 errors per pay period.
We lost trust with our employees.
A lot of them didn't know how to use the system. Having to help staff navigate took up a lot of your time as a manager. It was very difficult to schedule everybody. It took me up to a full day. It was truly impossible for our employees to own their own data. When the YMCA returned to Paycom, our staff morale just went up.
It was like a big sigh of relief. I was ecstatic. I was like, yes, a system that actually works, that I can actually use, and my staff can actually understand.
They know it, they see it, and it's really intuitive for them to use. With Paycom, we saved $1.4 million from employee usage within 1 year.
It just creates empowerment, accountability. It's a really great way to manage time.
Betty makes processing payroll easier for us. The ability to have an employee go in and double check that their paycheck's going to be correct. We can do payroll now with Paycom in about a couple hours versus a day and a half, was 2 days through our previous provider. Through Paycom, we can run payroll 80% faster. From advertising for jobs, for hiring, onboarding, everything we do is housed in Paycom. Having one database for our system is really helpful, that everything flows through and nothing gets lost in translation.
Personal action forms are very, very helpful when you need to transfer an employee to another position or even just terminate an employee. They can be done in less than 1 minute. With Paycom's personal action forms, we save a week each month.
Building a schedule with Paycom is a breeze. I can schedule 83% faster.
With our previous provider, it takes about 3 weeks to hire somebody. In Paycom, it only took me 4 to 5 days.
It's critical as an executive to have that real-time data because that allows us to do our job effectively and also support all of our staff and all of our members, which impacts our community. With I1, I save 2 hours every day.
Unlike our previous provider, Paycom makes us feel like a priority.
Paycom allows us to do what we do efficiently and accurately.
Paycom is good for our YMCA.
My staff are really happy with using Paycom again. They like ownership. Paycom's single database is better than any integrated system.